Hello everyone, welcome to Sapthora Online Learning. Myself Vijay Krishna, the piano teacher of Sapthora. So today's topic I am going to teach you the G major scale. The G major scale which starts on the G note. Naturally, the root note is the G and it looks like this. So before going to the lesson, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to receive a lot of lessons and content from us. And don't miss the lessons. We have a lot of content. And moving to the G major scale, the lesson starts with the right hand first, and G major scale will tell us what is the root note itself. It tells us the G note. We'll start off with the G note on the keyboard and the piano. And starting with the G note with the right hand and starts with the G, A, B, C, D, E, and F sharp and G. And G, coming reverse now. G, F sharp, E, D, C, D, A, and G. So in this G major scale, we have only one black note to play in the entire scale. So the scale is a set of 8 notes. The 7th note in the G major scale will come as a black note. That is F sharp note we use for the lesson. And it looks like this. And G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. And G, F sharp, E, D, C, D, A, G. The finger numbers we follow for the right hand is 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm going to show my left hand how to play the G major scale. It starts in the 1 octave lower of the piano, and it starts with the G note, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. And now going with the descending G, F sharp, A, B, C, B, A, and G. The same notes will be followed for the both hands, right hand and the left hand. So the left hand finger numbers we're starting with the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 3, 2, 1. So now we'll play together the lesson, how it looks. And so it starts with the G note and goes to the top. So it comes down like this, and follow the finger numbers and practice it regularly to get more speed and accurate playing positions. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to receive a lot of more contents and the lessons as well from our side. And log into our website for booking a free demo class and meet our professional teachers for art and the music, and enjoy your demo and see you. Thank you for watching the lesson. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll meet you in the next lesson with a good topic, and see you today. Thank you.